I was recently gifted this lightweight, high-powered leaf blower, and I really like it. So what I'm going to do is three things. Let me show you what you get right out of the box. Number two, I'll show you how to get it together. And then number three, we'll see it in action. First of all, in the box you do get, of course, a set of instructions. The main unit, very lightweight. You do get not just one lithium battery, but you get 2 lithium batteries, which I also do like on the batteries. If you do hit right here, it tells you whether they're charged or not. Obviously this one's fully charged, so we will be using this one. And you do have a cord to be able to plug those in easily and charge those up. And then you do have the ducts. So you attach these, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And then thirdly, you do have 3 different end units that you can put on the duct. So one more for your general use, one for a little more directed, and this one is for very directed as far as the wind energy. Putting it together, very simple. You get the duct, so you'll put this one on, and you can see it has little indentations right there, and you just match those up. So this one will go on just like that, click it into place, and then you put on the next one to be able to extend it. Again, super easy. And then finally, we'll just put on the, I would say the most general use end there to be able to use it the most. And then you take, after you've charged up the battery, you can very easily slip it on there, as you'll see. It's not complex at all. Pretty self-explanatory to be able to snap that in place. Now, you do have 6 speeds, and you can absolutely easily see what they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so, just to show you what this is like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very easy to put together, and if you do want to put a different end unit to it, very easy to do. You just simply take that off. Let's say you want a little more directed, you want to use this one. Easily snap that on, snap it, and you're good to go. So let's take a look. I'll show you in action. It's very lightweight, extremely lightweight, as you can see. Easy to be able to move around. And let's see this in action. All right, I've got a bunch of dirt, dust, and grime where I usually keep my garbage cans, and so I want to clean that out real fast. So I did put the directed end unit on, and I am going to crank this up to a 5 or 6. Let's see how it goes. Okay, lightweight, very powerful, and easy to direct. And so I'm telling you, this is something that is really useful and very, very powerful and very lightweight, which is what I really like about it.